In this video, we're going to see if it's possible to play Genshin Impact in Xbox One in 2022. Is it possible? Is it not? Let's find out. So, let's check by heading into the official Genshin Impact website at genshin.hyoverse.com/n or /whatever preferred language you have. You should arrive at this web page that shows us all the new updates and all the new characters added to the game. If we scroll all the way up, we have two options: PC download, which is the most common way to play Genshin Impact, and we also have other downloads. If we click on other downloads, this allows us to see other platforms in where Genshin Impact is available. You can notice that Windows is the one we have on the left. We have the App Store for iPhones and iPads and the Play Store for Android devices. We also have the Epic Games Store option. Lastly, we see for consoles we have PS5 or PS4, however, Xbox One is nowhere to be seen. This is because, as of 2022 or as of 2023, Genshin Impact is not available for Xbox One or any Xbox consoles. The purpose of this video is not to spread misinformation, but to let people be aware that there is no official way to play Genshin Impact on your Xbox console. You can only do so through a Windows computer, an Android device, an iPhone or iPad, or a PS4 or PS5. We can only hope to see Genshin Impact added to Xbox One in the near future. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.